All right, how you doing, folks? This is the only the second video I've put on YouTube. The first one was about bypassing a seat switch on a Cub Cadet riding mower, which worked out pretty good. Now I've got this inflatable hot tub that I just moved in from outside, and it's a new hot tub. And the weather is just getting too cold out there for the heater to keep up. But I acquired a few pinholes. I don't know, I must have hit the deck or something, splinters or something anyway. And, you know, just like I do, you get on YouTube and you see all kinds of remedies. And every one of them are just ridiculous. So at first I tried to use PVC glue that they recommended with the patches. And because this is a new hot tub, I used the same patches that came with the hot tub. Cut them out in a circle, about a ½ inch on each side of the pinhole, so about a 1-inch circle. And I found a guy on YouTube that he was comparing plastic adhesives. And one of the best ones that he advised to use was this right here. Loctite vinyl fabric and plastic adhesive. It's a flexible adhesive. It's almost like a rubber tire patch adhesive, but a little bit bigger tube. So anyway, I started out, of course, blew it up, found all my pinholes with some soapy water, deflated it just enough to where it wasn't blowing any air out of the holes. I took a scupper out of a tire patch repair kit and scuffed the vinyl surface of the tub and the back surface of the patch. Cleaned it up really good. I mean, you could use sandpaper, but make sure you keep it clean. Cleaned it up really good with acetone. I used acetone because the acetone kind of softens the vinyl and almost makes it a little sticky before you even put the adhesive on it. Clean the back of the patch with the acetone, blew it off for a couple seconds, dries, took the Loctite adhesive and a small brush and applied some to the tub surface and the back of the patch. Pressed it together, made sure that I worked any air out, tried to keep it as flat as I could. And it worked out pretty good. They recommend a 2-hour setting time before you disturb the patch. It's only been about 10 minutes, and this patch is not coming off. Total cure time for the Loctite is 24 hours, but I believe I can turn this over and put, enough air in it to where it's not a whole lot of pressure, but start filling it up with water. I hope it works out for you, and y'all have a great New Year's Eve. Thank you.